Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the GRE exam using an easy method. First, familiarize yourself with the test format, including its verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and analytical writing sections. Knowing what to expect helps you strategize effectively. Next, establish a study schedule that fits your lifestyle, aiming for consistent, focused sessions. Finally, collect official GRE guides and practice tests to ensure you are studying relevant material. Now, let's develop a solid study plan. Allocate specific days and times for verbal, quantitative, and analytical writing practice. Identify your weaker areas through diagnostic tests and dedicate more time to those sections. For instance, if geometry is tough, spend extra time on it. Remember to use a variety of resources, including official GRE practice books and reputable online platforms, to diversify your learning. Consistent practice is key to success. Take full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam experience. After each test, thoroughly review every question. Understand why you got answers right or wrong, and learn from your mistakes. This process helps reinforce concepts and improve your problem-solving approach. Also, practice pacing yourself to ensure you can complete each section within the allotted time. On test day, prioritize a good night's sleep to ensure you are well-rested and focused. Arrive at the test center early with all necessary identification to avoid any last-minute stress. Stay calm and confident throughout the exam, trusting in your preparation. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, as well as other helpful deals and resources to support your journey. Good luck with your GRE.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.